Let me show you how you can change this to this. Hello everyone, hello to you all. So today we're gonna talk about organize, and not specific on your shop and so on, but you can apply these three methods I have for you in everything. So that's three steps that I want to show you what I'm doing for arranging my let's say workshop now, but as I said, you can apply it for everything. So the first one is sorting. So let me show you. Even though there are stuff all around, my stuff is sorted. So I have this. The secret is to put the same kind of tools or kind of stuff in the same place. So I have here all the steel, all the boards, all the PC. Sorry. So you have so much noise here. So you have the same stuff in the same place. Same kind of boards in the same place. Motherboards from PC, slot cards, laptop motherboards, PC motherboards, wire, aluminium, and so on. So yeah, this place is a mess, but watch till the end and you will see the change. So remember, this the same stuff goes in the same place. So, number two, deposit. So you want your stuff to be stacked or one on top of the others or one near to the others. So let me show you how I will do it here. So on deposit, I have here some space here, and recently I have built this shed. It's simple. It's just a piece of wood here, there, and in the middle. So this is gonna come here, and I can put stuff underneath and on top and so on. So let me show you how I'm doing this right now. So on depositing, you saw earlier stuff all around here. So now we put the shed over here, so all the stuff can come on the bottom layer, on the middle, on top. So of course I can go higher. So yeah, that's how you deposit. So you put stuff in the space you have. You go on top of another, or you go sides. So yeah. So the third thing, the last one, it's arrange. So I'm not referring to the what I've done earlier. So it's not only putting in the right place. It's uh, it's it's about keep doing this while you're working, while you, I don't know, at your office too. Um, put the stuff that you need most right at your hand, and the others, put them in your shelves and your closet and so on. So let me show you how I'm doing it on my workbench. So as I've shown you in my last videos too, I like to arrange my tools, especially my tools, after working, so I have my space clear for the next work or the next project. So everything goes in the perfect place, so to speak. So in this way you have always a clean workbench, a clean area for you to work. So yeah, this was the 3 steps that you can make in organizing your work area, your life, your everything. So don't forget, first you sort, you put the stuff that have the same characteristics in the same place. Second, you deposit, you put stuff in a good manner with shelves and so on. And the last, you arrange, you clean up, you do everything it takes so you have a clean workshop. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.